Virgin Galactic, SPCE, he's back. I can't believe it. What's going on? Virgin Galactic, the stock that built this channel, where have you been? You can't possibly be coming back now because now it's all bullish and we're all making money, because that's what all those silly YouTubers do, right? You're here when it's bad. You're here when it goes down. You never give up. That's right. I just haven't been covering it for a while. Why? Because no one's been interested in it, for good reason. Look at the price of the stock. Do you remember all those YouTubers who they stop broadcasting when it goes down, but they only broadcast when it goes up? Well, I don't want to be one of them. I want to be in before it goes up, just so you can't troll me and go, oh, there you go. He's only in it when it goes up. No, I'm back. I'm back with a vengeance. I'm back with a vengeance for several reasons. Should I show you why? Okay, first of all, one of our biggest investors said this. He said this. Look at this.
Tim Rogers donated $10 through a super chat. Martin, this super chat is for SPCE combined with Zach's. Between us we could buy a new management team there.
We could. That's what we want to do. And what about this one here? Zach's 8. Remember him? He went there. He went to Virgin Galactic. He touched the rocket and went, it's Eve. I remember it. I still get a tingle down my spine when I think about that. Best moment ever on the show. He said this.
Zach Zeit donated $5 through a super chat. $2.25 is for SPCE earnings day, please. Virgin Galactic.
Absolutely. We're back. Covering the earnings. We've got some news. What's going on? Virgin Galactic now at an all-time low. Is it a good time to buy it? Should you buy it now? Is this the bottom? Is it now gone as low as it can go? Well, you know me. I built this channel on Virgin Galactic. It was very, very exciting. I love space. I love what they're doing. I love the Virgin brand. I've had a great relationship years ago with Sir Richard Branson when I used to do entertaining for his experiences. However, I am really disappointed with Eric Kearney and the management team and Michael Cole-Glazier, who said on the last call, I'm having the best job in the world working in the desert, building rockets, which is great. However, you're just paying yourself money. You don't care if it goes bust. You've had a great time. Shareholders, not so excited about it. But let's remind ourselves, Virgin Galactic, the product is great. There's an interest for it, but God knows how many years it's been now. Can someone tell me how many years it was since we started Virgin Galactic? When they started doing all this 20 years ago, the competition has caught up. There are plenty of companies now that have perhaps overtaken Virgin Galactic with a better service. We can talk about that on an upcoming video, but let's talk about this. They've got their earnings coming up. We're going to cover it. Yes, we're going to cover the earnings. We're going to come back. We're going to get all over. The whole channel is going to turn to Virgin Galactic once again. Not XRP or NVIDIA. What else we've been doing recently? It's Virgin Galactic, 20 videos a day. Get ready for it. We'll cover everything. Virgin Galactic, days of losses. There they are, sitting back relaxed. They shouldn't be relaxed, should they really? Management are relaxed. They're always happy. They're always fine with it. They're okay with it going down, apparently. Virgin Galactic shares snapped 7 straight sessions of losses as the stock closes 0.09 higher at 5.28 on Thursday. That was a couple of days ago, right? On Thursday. Hang on a minute. I thought this news was just out. Hang on, January the 16th. Yeah, okay. This is like a week or so ago. I thought it was newer than this. The space travel company lost more than 17% in the last 7 trading sessions. The stock has lost more than 86% in the past 1 year. So to add another 20% to all of this, and that's where we are today. Space is down 18% of the last 1 month. Add another 10%. The stock closed 0.75 lower at 5.28 on Wednesday. Seeking Alpha's Quant rating has rated this stock as a hold. Now that is a change. It's been sell, 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 sell. Now as a hold. Now what is Quant? You might be interested to know that Quant is the AI platform on Seeking Alpha. It's quite interesting because they've actually, if you study Quant, you'll know that Quant is outperforming the S&P. It could be a new benchmark. Yes, it is. It's been outperforming it and it says a hold. This is interesting. Okay. While Seeking Alpha authors see it as a sell. Don't listen to that. That's like our dear friend the Wolf of Dubai and people like that. They'll do anything to get views. And I'm not joking. Seeking Alpha analysts, I am officially a Seeking Alpha analyst. However, I don't take part in the program. What do I mean? What's all that about? Well, they pay me. Except they don't, because I don't do any Seeking Alpha analysis. They pay you to create content for their site, which is fine, right? But the Seeking Alpha analysts always have an axe to grind. They always have something to promote, something to sell. Now they've got a YouTube channel, a website, a training program, or they're in the stock. So I thought, no, it serves no purpose, because I always talk about Morningstar. They're paid to review stocks. People don't want to listen to that. They want to listen to someone who's not paid or promoted or sponsored in any way to promote the stock. So I don't care what they say. They would say it's a sell, wouldn't they? But Quant, which is emotionless, do you like that? It's unemotional, emotionless, says it's a hold. That's the first time we had a hold. Worth thinking about there for a moment. Seeking Alpha analyst Ahmed believes that Virgin Galactic's new mothership could be delayed as the company is yet to announce a new manufacturing partner with Boeing out of the picture. Okay. I'm not going to go on anymore because there's nothing else really new that they've said. But I wanted to make this video for two reasons. One, we've got people requesting the earnings. Two, people are requesting that we just buy the company. Remember when we talked about that before and we ended up changing policy for the company when it was when we reduced all those cuts by doing that poll. We embarrassed Eric Kearney and Michael Cole-Glazer for always spending too much money on parties. Well, we're back. We're going to look at Virgin Galactic again. It's going to take over the channel. We're going to cover the earnings. It's reached an all-time low. But for the very first time, Quant is saying it's a hold. It's important, this. I'm going to share it on the screen and just elaborate on this. We've got hold and we've got Wall Street saying hold. No more selling. This, Seeking Alpha, rubbish. Paid to say it. Hold. Okay, interesting. Valuation, A-, up from B+. The first time valuation has increased. Growth, B-, C+. Well, there's no growth. Obviously, not doing anything. Profitability, still D. Momentum, still D. Revisions, that's a key metric. A+, up from B+. Good. This is interesting. Is it a buy now? Should I buy it? I've got $260,000. I could buy off the company. Not far off. Anyway, what do you think? Should I? Market cap, 132 million. So 260,000 isn't going to buy the whole company, is it? But it might move it. What do you think? Should I get back in again? Virgin Galactic. Oh my God. Can you only imagine? Virgin Galactic, we're back. We're going to look at this. The ratings have changed. The analysis has changed. Have we reached bottom? Earnings around the corner. Rates coming down, even though they're sticky for longer. Economy strong. CPI up. PPI up. A new bullish administration. Put America first. Donald Trump would like this. He'd like to see us go into space, wouldn't he? Right? What do you think? Click above my head for all the links. Down below in the description, I'll put the whole Virgin Galactic playlist. We're back. We're back and ready to roll. Over here, I shall put the FOMC report. We're going to cover it today. You can't afford to miss it. And down here, I shall put the Virgin Galactic earnings. We're going to cover the Virgin Galactic earnings. And we're back. You thought I'd gone to sleep, didn't you? I've been busy making money. What have I been doing? This is my portfolio. 150,465. I started with $5,000, never done an option, never done a short, and there we are. I don't own crypto. I'm fully in the S&P, and there you go. Thanks to Virgin Galactic, though, I'm down 30 grand, or at least I was. Not anymore, but I was. I lost 30 grand with them. But anyway, above my head, down below, see the new clock? Tells you what time I recorded it, so you know what's going on. You can also match it up with your timestamps in the chat. Oh yeah, new feature. We like it, even though we keep moving it around the screen. Can't work out where it should be. Over here for the FOMC, down here for the space earnings. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.